adan na wa Jimmy Ghana for bre unuanom ntafo emi so omda so kaya yo bua omo bua ntafo no Ghana ni tani ye nipa te se Asantini tani ye nipa te se obia tribe bia we are equally Ghanaians adan na mu nyina mu gu parliament mu ye ntafo mu na mu hyehye mmra mu Jimmy ese moa mu nti
abusia Twene Jonas ne koko apai we're clashing with President John Dramani Mahama. Twene Jonas say President John Dramani Mahama on dreaming call for him. Now, Northerners be brain a more parliament and Ankasan. Dream 24 and I said Northerners because when you go to the northern region, a lot of these people are still drinking water with animals. They are still poor. A general medicram for the president now of it sa kronosu betumia hunsan yamani nano what's a pass uncle for as a sangana fosika and the command different countries. Actually say John Dramani Mahama Uninjansa. These are not my words, these are the words of Twene Jonas. I was here a higher Ghana TV. You best subscribe to the channel number for my dream conversation. I was here for last week about President John Dramani Mahama said or the aid and the command Nkofona omunya hurricane issues ne ewo Jamaica, Cuba ni Sudan. I was here and Twene Jonas said no President John Dramani Mahama I said dream. Now, be Brena Mufi Northern region now share Parliament House, especially Osman Aban Babin or see about Parliament House on since 1992. 33 good years. But these people cannot pinpoint one good thing that they have done for the people of the Northern region. Their people are still drinking water with animals. But President John Dramani Mahama and Dramani Mahama and to me and G. Some call for as Sassi Kebia say, your farmers are 10-4, and I said, Northern region, and Mufaya be papa blue all moon, and Mount Goffon. But or Tangana Fosca say, or the ma different countries. You see, President John Dramani Mahama, your hometown people are now refugees, or made Janifu Krum. They are now refugees in another man's land, and no, that is not your headache. But your headache is to take our money and demand different people. Who are you trying to please? Why now person will please say no? President John Dramani Mahama and all of the northerners now on parliament they have found the people because we call northern region on man. Omu need acquire papa. Omu need good school. School are directly ho papa ni ani ho nkola no still omu daso etro e wo form. And this is more dangerous than the manner ekoso amafo so a President John Dramani Mahama tank of Ghana force ka say e o di common. It's about how would somebody offer one man want to me and stand go for but you were able to think about different town, different country. Whom are you trying to please, President John Dramani Mahama? Abusia, Umayoko, Nayoko ti Twene Jonas, Nayaba, Yabetuas.
Adan na wa Jimmy Ghana for bre unuanom ntafo emi so omda so kaya yo bua omo bua ntafo no Ghana ni tani ye nipa te se Asantini tani ye nipa te se obia tribe bia we are equally Ghanaians adan na mu nyina mu gu parliament mu ye ntafo mu na mu hyehye mmra mu Jimmy ese moa mu ntimi se sika na nkogu northern region man ntafo ni no omo nso nsebi Ade na Moses ade akoma Sudan for so omu ni John Mama uni twa asere asiafo asefo Eba yenyi levy, D levy, betray levy, mo bedru ya mo de nkwasi D levy aba. Na mu wie nipa left and right. Na mo the gold board aba no mo sika. Sika na wanya 8 billion Ghana wa. O se me asisa ama me madi akototoka. Na kwasi gold board na de ba. Ye de ba se Mahama Jimmy for ne na busiamfo na mfa totoka na se ye the gold board ne ba se ye de beboa Ghana fo. Ada no ma Jimmy sa she said good body sika no yeah Mahama ke no de kugu ntafo Jimmy for MP before na Jimmy oba mo de no na nye too much say MP before no ma Jimmy oba omo tena so no mo nyimi initially say no mo nyimi say na wo aba foforo na ya de papa na 2 years time aka 2 years ye beto aba say 3 years ni atimi ato aba men disi da bi ma Jimmy ma ba no de mo ye bia ya de a ebe ma obi ntimi nto aba ma Kwasia mwaba wanya muntimi ya nurse for ka nurse ni men nkoto abama mu bio nurse for no nim di omogi hwikoto abama mu because Mahama Jimmy for ejina ba bia on de obedru ya obetua amka na afesika no komo mo as wa Jimmy me de atoto ka ama mentafo ma Jimmy for no na me de ma Jimmy ntima sise sika no ko Sudan de ko ma Sudan for so omuni abra Ghana ni nurse ti wo a otwemfre ma wa Jimmy on to kwasi Sudan for bre wo ya Oman na ajapade na mawia no teacher for ye ntua omuka enkura wie school gufie ye nya adwuma nye emabunu na msuo su kwa kowu what you say because adwuma bia ni oman num na uba akura onu nya 20 years akura no adi adwuma no ye owia Toyota Camry kura no so ye adwuma kura nka o ntime mu abu eska no nya bida entime nkoto akura kitikiti sana Mahama Kwasia iba enu atamo mansika di amane ba ni tise ankure na ono so de boxing no man ni nyina ye ntua soja fo ntua police no watua nkofo kase yenye demonstration na kufu adu din trum NDC fo mwayo anopetu anwumere demonstration yakoto so abawi ama obia so mpetrumu tu obia mpetrumu ntie ntwam ye pemampanyina mu asan akufu adu ansan Mahama se oba obesan Mahama aba wonkosan a ode ne kwase ate wontimi nsan afi omonsan de Jimmy abetena se yensan koma parliament for mwa no o mo akoto aba na wie dada no yensan koma mo another $150 million don fan koye election for from meto aba foforo ansan na Mahama na kosan what does this make sense na nurse ni yenye skentua ne ka na omu tifie na o patient ko hospital no akowu na ka akwan atutu na maburu tifie na Mahama Kwasia we say oba obebie 24 hour economy na say sika we wuntimi yentimi mfa nkobi abra san Kwasiafo na gu parliament omo ane to aba wo ma dika to aba wi ama obia me ya pass say ye mpetrumu Mahama Jimmy for nsan a wuntimi nsan edientia because odi Kevin Taylor trum and intina Kevin Taylor no for abobo
Abusiafo yesi President John Dramani Mahama di yesika koma Sudan Jamaica in some country be in or the aid maomu anyebia Abusiafo President John Dramani Mahama ni hometown for na omukogu Côte d'Ivoire no are these people okay? People are dying in your hometown. They are now refugees in Ivory Coast. Who sorry about Tamsika, Edima, different countries. All in the name of what? All in the name of what? Whom are you trying to please? Abafumbe na magotui. Abafumbe na matui. Who are you pleasing? And then why na cry na person please you? The people that voted for you in this country. Omuni ejumaye. You promised these people 24-hour economy. And the kene omu who suye. Usi kukobo nkete starting where he. Now, udisika, udiesika, ma different countries are. All in the name of what? President John Dramani Mahama. Who is this man trying to please? Yeah, what teachers are muchira de wokroma 10 months. Muchiamuka. Who say hot meal once for teacher trainee teacher trainees. Say Janina odi man kolan kra wo honoma. When you see it, you'll be shocked. Your nurses are almost demonstration say for 10 months, buy one chomuka. And you have the effrontery to take our money and demand different countries in Sudan, ni Jamaica, ni Krobi, or the 10 billion or then Ghana cities at the moment say what? For what? President John Dramani Mahama I said, who coffee na got tonight for 8 years. No, once you 1 year homework biao. The same mistake now we are now one outside you. You end up being one of the worst presidents in Ghana in history. You'll be one of the worst presidents in the history of Ghana. My kind of credit. Those NDC for now, Omuti Hone Kana say, oh boy, and he's working. What do you say? Mutiomo Mungusuna Muntie, the NDC full soldiers now. Omudi sad dada obejuma my papa bano. And then Nana do time grano, Nana do danko akufa do time. Now bottle water, I cry saying. I cry now, cry honum grano for the past 2 months in Sioba. There's no water. People are dying over there in cry. Obudi show menum. Water is not flowing, the tap is not flowing in Accra. The whole city. You are not thinking about those people. You're not thinking about the people that voted for you. The reason why you come back and won't change uncle for the womb. What is happening in Ghana is worse than what is happening over there. They said you can only give what you have. When you finish serving yourself, when you see, say no, your people are okay. We are not okay, Mr. President. The only thing now also say, you are injecting money into there's the foreign market. Send a dollar no be form. That is the only thing now here. Labor for no mu nkofo no mu ye adwuma no kra no increment na mo say na o de ma mo 2.5% increment. This is what you brought to the people. You give these people 2.5%. And these people are complaining, but you have that money. How would you man just to get praise from different countries? Say, oh, President John Dramani Mahama is working, bang. Mukanu Kurana and Chano. Mukanu Kurana and President John Dramani Mahama. But that papa ways, hey, boy.